Why do you have any other class?
Sorry, sir.
Sir, I have posted my doubts in WhatsApp.
Yes. Do you have any other class, Piyush?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
I have class at 6:50. I just wanted to ask. That's all.
Okay. Okay. If you want, you can leave just 5 minutes before. No problem.
Yes, sir. No problem.
All right. Yes. Tell me today. I had a small, technical issue, so I couldn't
Sir,
join.
I have posted my doubt in WhatsApp.
Not doubt session.
Sir, yes, sir. I also have to leave at 6:15
but-
every time. Like, you have to leave on 6:15 from Monday to Friday because I have basketball class.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sir, but today you said as a doubt session, so I posted my doubt in WhatsApp.
I thought doubt session is already completed, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Hello.
Just a minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Please give me a time, please.
Yeah, sir. Sorry.
Yes, tell me now. So today, what shall we do? Actually, if you have any,
Sir, you told today as a doubt
yes,
session.
yes, Kaji, I understood. Please. I saw your message. Please, just a minute. Give me time. Let me finish.
Sir, if nobody has any doubts, can we learn some advanced syllabus?
See, first, the thing is like, let us go with, definitely, Bhargav definitely will go with that. But, we have to finish the syllabus, then we'll go for that. Without finish the syllabus, we can't go for that, right?
Sir, I
Yes, sir.
think we start the second term syllabus right now, right?
Yes. We will start second term. If you don't have any doubts, if you don't have any problem.
Second started next week, sir, not now.
Actually, when I'm talking, please, no one should interrupt. I'm just asking that. What happens is like, sometimes, if you talk in between whatever I'm about to say, like I will be forgot sometime. So I may not, deliver what exactly I wanted to say. So now, just now I got an idea to say something. I just forgot that now. See, what I wanted to say is, see, if you do not have any kind of, doubts, if you don't have any kind of, problem in the chapters, the topics, whichever we have gone through so far, then we can start with the term two. If you have any doubts, if you are lacking with any kind of, issue or, problem from any kind of chapter, then definitely we'll, come to that, we'll notice that and we'll do a favor for the same actually. Okay, we'll do a favor for the same if you have any doubts. So, and yes, now you can just tell me one by one. I'll take, the names of you one by one. Let us go with the Bhargav now. Bhargav, you just tell me. Bhargav, tell me, do you have any doubts from the chapters? What do you have any term, doubts from the term one syllabus? If you have any doubts, please,
Absolutely not.
no. Very good. Taruni, what about you?
No, sir, I had only one I asked you.
Sorry.
No, sir, I'm not having now.
Very good. Akshit. Sai Akshit, are you here? Krishna Chaitanya. Krishna Chaitanya. Krishna Chaitanya, what happened? Why you are not able to talk? Akshit, are you here? Akshit, are you here? Akshit. No doubt. Very good. So he has texted. Krishna Chaitanya.
No doubt, sir.
Very good. So then when I'm just asking you the question, please respond to that. All right. Sujay,
Yes. Sir, no doubt, sir.
Ananya. Ananya.
No doubt, sir.
Very good. Pranav.
No doubt, sir.
Parth Ahuja.
Present.
Parth Ahuja.
Present, sir.
Do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Good. Shrayan. Shrayan.
Sir, no doubt, sir.
Nitya.
No doubt, sir.
Piyush.
So no doubts in term 1.
Yes, in term 1 only. Devasri, make it fast, make it fast.
So no doubt, sir.
Good. Aditya.
Sir, no doubts.
Aditya.
Sir, no doubts.
Good. Kaji.
Yes, sir. I have posted 2 doubts.
Okay, I will make it clear now. Harini.
No doubt, sir.
Yes, Kaji, apart from those 2 doubts, do you have any other doubts?
No, sir.
Good. Modita. Modita,
Yeah, sir.
do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So, yes. Let us have a look at your doubt, Kaji. Guys, everyone look at this. So, maths doubt. When did you? 12 minutes ago. And okay, this one, right? Just a minute. Yes. Everyone look at this now. The question is, very good question. Dekho. So the question is what? A square and equilateral triangle. Square and equilateral triangle have equal perimeters. The diagonal of the square is 15√2. Okay. 15√2. Guys, can you see what I'm writing here?
No, sir. We cannot see.
You. Just a minute. Now can you see? Now can you see, guys?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we cannot see your writing though, like if you are writing.
Okay, okay, not an issue. देखो क्वेश्चन क्या दिया है that the square of equilateral triangle have equal parameters. If the diagonal of square is this much centimeter, then the area of the triangle is what? So basic simple question. Basically look at this here. What he has given, square of the square and equilateral triangle have equal perimeters. The diagonal of square given. ठीक है, जस्ट अ मिनट, ये क्या हो रहा है? Diagonal of square how much given? 15√2. So side is what? What is, देखो ये this is mine. दिस इज माय स्क्वायर, ठीक है, दिस इज माय स्क्वायर, लेट अस कंसीडर दिस इज माय स्क्वायर, ठीक है। Look at this here. This is a diagonal. This is what 15 root 2. Then what will be this side? What will be this side? Side कितना होगा बेटा? देखो side by 2 ना. देखो perimeter. What is the perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is what? 4a, isn't it? So I need, he has given diagonal here. So from the diagonal, how can I find out side? Side is equal to diagonal by 2. How many of you know this? This is the formula. See here, side is equal to diagonal how much? 15 root 2 by 2. So 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. This will be getting cancelled. So sorry, not 2, guys, root 2 here. ये formula गलत लिख दिया हमने. Diagonal by root 2. Diagonal by root 2 is the formula. Diagonal by root 2. This is the formula. And the side देखो इधर diagonal कितना दिया है? 15 root 2 by root 2. तो root 2 cancel. Side is equal to 15 कितना centimeters or meters है? Centimeters. तो perimeter कितना होगा इधर? What will be the perimeter? Tell me perimeter is equal to 15 into 4. तो मुझे मिलेगा 60 centimeters. This is perimeter of what? Square. Perimeter of square. ठीक है? आया समझ?
Yes.
Perimeter of square. And is talking about equilateral triangle as well, right? Is talking about equilateral triangle. So
Sir, your voice is cracked.
is talking about equilateral triangle as well, isn't it? Huh.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
equilateral triangle, what he has given here? What is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? 3a na?
root 3 upon 7.
That is area. I'm talking about perimeter. So
A plus B plus C.
perimeter equilateral triangle is equal to how much? 3a.
Okay, sir. Yes.
So 1 minute guys. All sides will be equal, so 3 है ना, a means 3a only, right? Perimeter. So if the diagonal given, the area of the triangle we need to find out. Area of the triangle. Guys, look at this here. Perimeter of the equilateral triangle is equal to what he has given. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to perimeter of square. So perimeter of square how much here? 60, right? So perimeter of 3a is equal to how much beta? 60. Yes or no? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very simple.
Yes, sir.
तो ये कितना मिलेगा इधर? 20 सेंटीमीटर.
Yes,
ये is equal to what? This is a side of equilateral triangle. ठीक है? तो side of equilateral triangle का मतलब मुझे area. What he is asking for? Area of triangle. Area of equilateral triangle फॉर्मूला क्या होता है?
root 3 upon 4 into side square.
Root 3 upon 4 a square. Root 3 upon 4 ये कितना 20 into 20. तो इसको कैलकुलेट करो. 4 1s 4 5. तो कितना 100 root 3.
Yes, sir.
This is my answer. 100 root 3 ऑप्शन अवेलेबल. देखो ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट है इधर. सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर आएगा एरिया, राइट? तो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, ठीक है। ए इंटू 20 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 20 सेंटीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर ना, आया समझ? एनी डाउट चिल्ड्रन हियर? वेरी सिंपल.
Yes.
The
No
only
doubt,
thing,
sir.
here he has given that given perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to perimeter of the square. मुझे perimeter of the square find out करना है, तो कितना मिला मुझे? perimeter of the square 60 मिला, तो मुझे perimeter of equilateral triangle से मैंने equate किया, तो मुझे side of equilateral triangle मिला, उससे मैंने area of the triangle निकाल दिया बस. Make it fast, copy that. Copy that, make it fast. Next question. If you copy that, we'll go further.
Yes, sir. No. So you can go to the question, next question.
Yes, we'll go for next. Very good. What he has given? A field in the shape of quadrilateral. A field in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD shown in the figure. The perimeter of the ABC, ठीक है, तो is less than, is 8 minutes perimeter of the triangle ABC is 8 meter less than 10/9 of the perimeter of triangle ACD. What is the cost of the plowing the field at the rate of 20 rupees per centimeter, square meter? Basically, guys, look at this here. How can we solve this? Very, very good question. अरे यार ये क्या हो रहा है? Someone is waiting there. Kavya, why are you late, Kavya? Kavya, are you here?
Sir, your voice is cracking.
Sir, I've joined to 2 devices.
Sorry?
Sir, I'm saying that I've joined through 2 devices, sir. This is my second device. I'm there from before.
Yes, Kavya, you are saying something.
Sorry, sir.
You are saying something. Tell me.
Actually, I'm saying that till now I was through my phone. Now I am through my laptop.
Okay. See here, the question is what perimeter of the shape of the quadrilateral ABCD. The perimeter of, this is very good question. इधर कितना मुझे B एंगल इज हाउ मच? 90 डिग्री. yes or no? BC दिया है,
Yes,
AB दिया है, AD दिया है, तो DC फाइंड आउट करना है मुझे. तो how can I find out? Look at this. What is the value of AC here?
It is not.
Through Pythagoras, we can find it.
Yes, very good.
Sir, 50 is the answer.
by
50
using,
centimeters, 50 meters. Sir.
हाँ देखो by using Pythagoras theorem from the triangle, देखो मुझे इधर सॉल्यूशन लिख रहा हूँ. तो from the triangle ABC given AB is equal to 14 meters, BC is equal to 48 meters, then AC is equal to how much? By Pythagoras theorem, so AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. So AC is equal to what? So 190.
50 meters.
So 48 square how much? 4, 8, 8, 64, 8, 4, 32, 38, 4, 8, 32, 4, 19, so 10, 2304 plus 196. So 2500, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
2500 is nothing but 50. Very good. So मुझे 50 मिला. आया समझ guys? Any doubts here?
No doubt, sir.
50, very easy. So what I have to find out, look at this here, give the figure, the perimeter of the triangle ABC is 8 meters less than 10 by 9 of the perimeter of the triangle ACD. Then how can I write? Look at this here. Nick, what is the DC value here? Tell me. How can I find out DC value? So if you just consider this will be right angle triangle. This will be D will be 90 degrees here. So what will be the DC value here? देखो he has given that. 1 minute boys. So quadrilateral is given the perimeter of the triangle ABC. Perimeter of the triangle ABC is what here? Tell me. What is the perimeter of the triangle ABC? Perimeter of triangle ABC is equal 8 meter less than. Guys, how can you write 8 meter less than is nothing but, look at this here. 8 meter less than, or guys look at this here, 8 meter less than 10 by meter of centimeter of the ACD. तो मुझे DC find out करना है. पहले DC find out करेंगे. What is DC value here? This value. Make it fast. तो DC value भाई.
So which one?
DC. Find out this one first. We'll better find out that. तो DC वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है मुझे. तो DC 9. तो हियर AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square, isn't it? So DC square is nothing but AC square minus AD square. So DC square is nothing but AC square, right? AC कितना? 550. AC square is minus 2500. AD square how much? 25 square how much? 24 square how much? 24 into 24. 576 minus ये कितना? What is the value of this one? 1924.
Sir, 1924.
तो square root of this one, अरे यार ये तो square root of 924 how much? Square root of 1924. You will get something. Yes, you will get something in points.
Sir, it should be 1524, right? Oh no, sir. Sorry, sir. Yeah, I made a
1924
mistake.
only, right? Only.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Sir, I'm getting the answer in decimals.
Yes, sir. Some 43 point something.
कोई ना नहीं तो लेकिन instead of doing this, can we do in some other way? I think we must get not in decimal. एक मिनट, बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है, एकदम खतरनाक क्वेश्चन है. देखो मुझे AC वैल्यू पता चल गया इधर. Now can I say guys, look at this here, area of what is the quadrilateral, right? Quadrilateral ABCD. is equal to what? Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Yes or no?
Sir, can we find the
Area of triangle
area of
ABC क्या
triangle ABC by using Heron's formula?
Yes, we can find out. Very good option. That is also correct. Look at this बेटा, पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे भाई, ABC triangle of ABC area of triangle is what? Half into base into height. Yes or no? So half into
Yes.
base into height. So I'm just finding area of this one, guys. तो ये क्या है? Area of first let me find area of triangle ABC. Half into base into height. तो half into base. कितना base कितना है देखो? Triangle ABC में 48, 14. 21, 27. तो कितना मिलेगा? 8 7 56, 7 4 28, 33. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
मीटर कितना है? मीटर में है ना? मीटर में तो मीटर स्क्वायर आएगा.
Sir, meter square.
Yes. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एडीसी कैसा फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम लोग? बाय यूजिंग हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला एज काव्या सेड, s into s minus a, s into s minus b,
Yes, sir.
s into s minus c. तो मुझे yes, what is s value here? सभी पेरीमीटर, राइट?
Yes, sir.
तो कैसा फाइंड आउट करेंगे देखो? What is the value of s? Let us say this is x. ठीक है? तो what is the value of s? Tell me.
So it's 10 by 9 minus 8. The perimeter of ABCD.
हाँ, पेरीमीटर ऑफ कितना?
So perimeter of ABC into 10 by 9 minus 8.
Perimeter of ABC
Into 10 by 9 minus 8. So it's written right.
हाँ,
Triangle
yes, given.
ABC is 8 less
The
than the
yes,
perimeter.
triangle of ABC is equal to, अच्छा, he has given right here. अच्छा, triangle of, you are saying this one, ABC is equal to 8 meter less than perimeter of this one.
Yes, sir. So we can do it.
Yes. First हम लोग क्या करेंगे इधर? We'll write the data. Perimeter of ABC is equal to how much?
10 by 9 into perimeter of ACD minus 8.
हाँ, 8 less than मतलब देखो 10 by 9 10 by 9 of triangle ACD minus
8.
8 meter less than.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, देखो इससे क्या होता है? ये पेरीमीटर है ना, पेरीमीटर ना, हाँ पेरीमीटर. तो देखो पेरीमीटर ऑफ दिस वन, तो पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी इज इक्वल, देखो पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी इज इक्वल 10 by 9 ऑफ दिस मच, दैट इज 8 लेसर देन पेरीमीटर ऑफ 10 by 9 ऑफ पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल एसीडी. तो मुझे कितना मिला इसे? 336.
10 by 9 into
Sir,
100.
that's area, right?
अच्छा, दैट इज एरिया, आई एम सॉरी, नॉट पेरीमीटर.
Sir, could you please scroll up?
पेरीमीटर क्या होगा? 14 प्लस 48 प्लस 50, 14 प्लस
Yes, sir. 14, 48, and 50. Yeah.
इज इक्वल 10 by 9
So
ऑफ,
it'll be 112.
पेरीमीटर ऑफ एसीडी कितना होगा?
It will be 112.
Yes, sir. 112 is perimeter of ABC.
24 प्लस x प्लस 50 माइनस 8. हम लोग x वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे इधर से. कितना सिंपल है देखो. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस? 64 एंड प्लस 48
So
how much?
112.
1112 बेटा इनटू 1112 इज इक्वल, ये पहला ये सॉल्व करो. 10 by
Sir,
9.
instead of this, we can directly just, keep the triangle ACD as it is, and we
Look
can
at it.
find the
1 second.
value.
1112 plus 8. There 74 plus 6. 1 second. Let us 120 here into 9 is equal to 740 plus 740 plus 10x. So
Sir,
yes,
the perimeter is going to be 180.
1290 how much? 1440 minus 740 is equal to 10x. So how much here? 700, right? Yes or no?
Sir, instead of doing all of this,
Yes, yes.
we can directly just instead of writing 24 plus x plus 50, we can
Hmm.
directly find the perimeter by just leaving it as triangle ACD. Then we can get the answer.
What you are saying by,
The whole
by
perimeter as
instead of writing all this,
180. Sir, in this second step, you just replace triangle ACD with 74 plus x
Yes,
plus
yes.
50, right?
yeah.
Sorry, 24 plus x plus 50, right?
Yeah.
So instead of that, we can just keep it triangle ACD, and
Okay.
then we can get the whole perimeter.
Yeah. That is also correct.
Like
That
if
is a-
we are finding
yeah.
perimeter, right?
Yes, again we must add for perimeter of that. Again you must add. That is the in extra stuff you are saying. Yes, you can do, of course. That is also correct.
No, sir. Like if we just leave it as a triangle ACD, then we
Yeah.
get the whole perimeter.
That is what I'm saying. That is what, because instead of writing this, you can write triangle. What is that? ACD.
CD.
So triangle ACD if you get, ये क्या होगा, ये दिया, मुझे लिखते हैं perimeter of triangle ACD minus 8. ठीक है, तो directly you will get that you are saying. That is also correct. That is also correct.
Yes, sir. Instead of like adding all of this,
X value 70, हम लोग ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उसमें. एंड इधर देखो, वन सेकंड लेट अस. तो पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल ACD, तो इधर तो कितना मिलेगा पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल ACD?
200 into 9 by 10 is equal to 180.
120 into 9 by 10 ना?
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes,
0
sir.
0 cancel, तो 140.
Then yeah, 108.
108. ठीक है, this is what
Yes, sir.
perimeter I got. So perimeter of triangle ACD is that much. Then semi perimeter, S value is what? Semi perimeter, right?
Yes, sir. 108 by 2.
So S value is what here? S is equal to 108 by 2, 54. ठीक है, तो S value I got. For getting S value, you got to know 54 into 54 minus, what is the value of A here? Let us say this is A, this is B, this is what? X value is what here? For finding X value again we have to do that. You understand?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. But then, sir, one doubt. X value we got as 70, right?
Yeah. But we calculated how much here? 74. 74 minus 108. How much? 26 plus
Sir, 34.
34. We got, we made a wrong calculation over there. It shouldn't be 60,
Yes,
70
sir.
actually. It should have been
108
somewhere.
plus 54,
Yeah. I wrote 144. Here 12 lines, instead of writing 108, I wrote 144. You understand? You understand,
Okay,
Piyush?
sir.
I wrote in place of 108, I wrote 1440 over there. That's what the reason.
Okay, sir. That's
I wrote 16 lines, not 12 lines. That is what the reason it got wrong. अरे यार,
Yes, sir.
कौन है यार ये? क्या डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं? Look at it, 54 minus A. What is the value of A here?
So we can take A as 50, B as 24, C as 108 minus 74 is we can get that.
Look at this here. Clear? हाँ. तो मुझे, what is the value of A here? Tell me. What is the value of A here? Tell me. A value कुछ भी ले लो भाई. A, B, C. 20. 54 minus एक था 50. 54 minus 34 ना? X
Yes,
value
sir.
कितना? X value somewhere. देखो.
Sir, it is 24, right? The first one, 54 minus 24.
54 minus.
So down, sir.
अच्छा, मैंने 20 लिख दिया इधर.
Yes, sir.
हाँ 24 बेटा. हाँ देखो 24 तो कितना इधर 50 74 मतलब 26 प्लस 8 34. या राइट आंसर. तो देखो ये कितना मिलेगा मुझे 54. काजी, आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर? काजी,
Yes, sir.
देखो ध्यान से सुनना इधर. तो कैलकुलेट ऑल दिस, व्हाट यू गेट हियर? So 600 into 4. Multiply all this stuff. What do you get? This is 4.
2400.
Instead of doing that, we can simply just break it down into simpler parts.
Yeah,
and
simplify. That is also correct. हाँ, हम लोग इतना बड़ा करने के बदल देखो ऐसा you can just write like this 9 into 6, 6 into 5, 2 into 2, 2 into 10. 10 can be written as what? 5 into 2.
So we can
Yes, sir.
directly write 4 as 4 and 20 as 4 into 5. So that we get 4 and 5 out.
That is sorry, 4 as 4 into 5. Yeah,
Sir, we can leave 4 as 4 only and 20 as 4 into 5 so that we can get 4 outside and 5
of course you can write. Look at this here. For look at double threes, double six, double fives, double twos, double twos. Therefore, you can write all one ones here. So what do you get here? What do you get here? Tell me. 3, 6, 5, 2 into 2. ठीक है? Yes or no? So 18,
Yes.
90, 360. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So area of triangle ADC how much? Area of clear? Any doubts? थोड़ा लंबा क्वेश्चन है देखने में. हाँ, I got this. What do you have to find out here? Tell me. This is what I got. What would be the, look at it, what is the cost of plowing the field at the rate of this much? So look at this here. Area of field is in the form of this one. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is what here? Area of triangle ABC plus area of this much. तो कितना मिलेगा मुझे? Therefore area of triangle how much? Sorry. Area
Sir,
of
360 plus 330. Sir.
area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 336 plus 360. तो कितना मिलेगा? 696 ना?
Yes, sir.
Meter square. So what is the cost of plowing? The cost of plowing the field at the rate of 20 per square meter. 20 per square meter. देखो मीटर स्क्वायर है ना इधर, तो कितना लिखेंगे हम लोग?
There will be
Sir, 696 into 20.
690 this per square meter. So into 20. So 696 into 2 how much? 700 the 14, so 1392 ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? हाँ.
Yes, sir.
So,
1392 is the answer.
this will be the cost. He is asking cost only, right? The cost. This will be 1300 rupees. This will be my answer. Very, very, very good question. थोड़ा सा बड़ा क्वेश्चन है मगर ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन, अच्छा वाला क्वेश्चन. सही है. ठीक है, आया समझ? एनी डाउट्स बेटा? कोई डाउट इधर?
No, sir.
कोई डाउट? देखो पहले what we have to do here, देखो क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से समझना. फर्स्ट यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन क्लियरली. उधर क्या क्या दिया है? राइटिंग दिस finding this by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem I just found AC value as 50. From that I just found triangle first area of triangle ABC. I got this much. So basically I should write this. Look at this. What I should write? This one. Triangle as a area of quadrilateral ABCD कैसा फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम लोग? एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADC. पहले ABC फाइंड आउट कर लिया मैंने, उसके बाद एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADC. फॉर फाइंडिंग एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ACD I need S value. S is nothing but semi perimeter. For knowing semi perimeter, you know perimeter first. You should know perimeter. All right. So for finding perimeter, this is the link. What is the link given? What is the condition given? This is the condition दिया है. For knowing the perimeter, this is the condition दिया है. So by using this condition, I just found perimeter. From that, I just found perimeter, semi perimeter, and went for the answer. आया समझ? All right, बेटा. कोई doubt इधर?
Yes, sir.
कोई doubt? Absolutely. Yes. Any other doubts?
No, sir.
So can we have quiz?
Definitely.
Then a quiz you will conduct on triangle or other chapter.
Other chapter.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Why, Shreyam, you got bored by writing triangles again and again?
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Ah,
I
yes, sir.
got bored.
just a minute.
But
Totally
that
bored.
is a tough chapter, sir. But that is a correct, sir. You should keep. Because that is a tough chapter.
Sir, what about linear equations? So can we have a quiz on linear equations?
Just a minute. We'll have a quiz now. Quiz on what you want me to conduct?
Sir,
Equations, sir.
the Heron's formula.
Sir, Allen's formula.
Just a minute. What chapter? Make it fast. Tell me.
The triangle.
Linear equations for triangles, sir.
Arey yaar, only one chapter. Every day one chapter.
Yes, sir, linear.
Linear equations in two variables. Oh, it's loading.
Sir, I think this is done, sir. This quiz is done, sir.
This is done, huh?
Yes, sir.
Then which quiz you want me to conduct? Let us
The triangle, sir.
Let us choose one more.
Sir, Allen's formula, sir.
Will everything will go. Don't worry.
Okay,
देखो,
sir.
see, every quiz we can't have at a time, right? देखो, I'm sharing the link. Join it फटाफट. Only 8 of you have joined. Make it fast. Make it fast, everyone.
Sir, I just got disconnected. So could you send the link again?
Yes. Who is this?
Sir, this is Pranav.
I sent you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you start?
Okay, I'm gonna start the quiz. So how many of you have joined here? 11 members have joined. Guys, what about others? If you please do join the quiz, everyone.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir,
Very
done.
good, very good. Just a minute.
Sir, almost done.
Sir, done, sir.
Last 30 seconds.
Sir, 30 seconds are over.
Yes, I'm gonna wind up the quiz. Yes.
Sir,
Piyush.
can you show-
Piyush first, Kavya second, Bhargav third, Aditya, Pranav, Piyush, Sujay. Okay, accuracy is
First
7.
time I got disconnected.
Who's that?
First time, like before attempting a question only, I got disconnected.
Oh,
So
okay.
the first one is like the second attempt. So there will be one more down, sir. That one I got disconnected.
Just a minute. Okay, Piyush, Kavya, Bhargav, Pranav, Aditya got 100%. Very good. Congratulations to you all. Harini 90%, Kavya, so Sujay 90%, Sayan 80%, Tayaba 80%, Devasri 70%, Sai Akshit 60, Piyush, yeah, Taruni didn't attempt the quiz. Okay, okay, very good, guys. Keep doing the same. Keep performing the same. Sir, I need to tell you the truth. I am the one who logged as was yesterday, but only yesterday. I mean day before yesterday. Arey Bhargav,
Yes, sir. Today you didn't.
I need to tell you the truth. I'm the one who logged in as was. Bhargav,
Yes, sir.
you're joining like as a boss and troubling everyone.
Sir, only yesterday, sir. I
So
mean, day before yesterday. Only
So
day
you
before
want to
yesterday.
trouble everyone here?
Sir, no, sir. I thought to check everyone's reaction, sir.
Uh-huh. Ammo. Okay. Fine. Okay, children, let's retire. I have one more class. And please, probably will be will be starting, term 2 in the next class. Bhargav,
Okay, sir.
you're joining
sir.
like a
Thank you,
boss
sir.
and making fool to
Sir,
Boss
everyone.
only,
Bhargav. Boss
sir,
Bhargav.
only day before yesterday, sir.
Yes,
No
sir.
other day.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bhargav.
Bye,
This is
sir.
Bhargav.
Yeah, bye.
Bhargav.
Bye-bye.
Bhargav employee. Who is he?
Bhargav,
Only
who is
day
your
before
accomplice?
yesterday. No other day.
Okay, who is your accomplice?
I don't have any.
Wait. Let's stop.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.